Greetings, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. For the general situation, a stationary front across the Turks and Caicos Islands will continue to support some shower activity and breezy conditions, along with rough boating and beaching conditions across the islands today. Special warnings: there's a high risk of dangerous rip currents along Atlantic-facing shorelines. Beachgoers and swimmers are advised not to enter the water. Today's weather forecast calls for partly to mostly cloudy skies with a medium chance of scattered showers this afternoon in Providenciales, North Caicos, and Middle Caicos, and a low chance elsewhere. Partly to mostly cloudy skies will continue into this evening with a low chance of showers tonight. New total rainfall accumulation of about an inch. A small craft advisory and high surf advisory is in effect. Winds will be coming from the northeast at 15 to 25 knots. Seas in the Caicos Bank 3 to 5 feet, and on the Atlantic side 4 to 6 feet, with wave heights building up to 10 feet offshore. The daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 81 degrees Fahrenheit with an overnight low temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 5:07 p.m. tonight. The next high tide is at 2:03 p.m. and the next low tide is at 8:36 p.m. Now a look at the extended forecast. The frontal boundary will remain over the area and gradually weaken through Friday evening. Then a robust high-pressure system will build behind the front and maintain cool, dry, and breezy conditions across the island chain into the weekend. Forecast for Thursday: a medium chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Partly cloudy with a high near 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Thursday night: a low chance of widely scattered showers, partly cloudy skies, with a low around 74 degrees Fahrenheit. New total rainfall accumulation between 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain. A small craft advisory will remain in effect until 8 p.m. on Thursday. Winds will be coming from the northeast at 10 to 15 knots, with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas in the Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet, and on the Atlantic side 4 to 6 feet, with waves building up to 8 feet offshore, then subsiding to 4 to 6 feet overnight. Forecast for Friday: a medium chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, partly cloudy skies with a high near 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Friday night: a medium chance of scattered showers, partly cloudy skies with a low around 73 degrees Fahrenheit. New total rainfall accumulation between 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Winds will be northeast at 10 to 15 knots, and seas in the Caicos Bank 2 to 4 feet, and on the Atlantic side 3 to 5 feet. So over the next 3 days, we're looking to about an accumulation of rainfall of about up to 2 inches, possibly 1 to 2 inches. Now for the tropical weather outlook. Tropical cyclone activity is not expected during the next 7 days. And that is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, November 12th, 2025 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.